We made 30 points in 3 minutes. You're going to see how it unfolds live. And we're going to do a walkthrough so I can break it down so you guys can actually understand my thesis, why I took this position, and why I had conviction in higher prices. So starting off, FOMC is at 14:00 New York Eastern Time. This macro that we were trading is the 1450 to 1510 macro. So this is the power hour macro. We can see here that we just entered on the 1445 because we had 5 minutes either direction. Now, the actual bias for me here is a continuation model because price is showing bullish order flow. What does that mean? So essentially, we are disrespecting bearish fair value gaps and we're respecting bullish fair value gaps. So yes, I like being a reversal trader, but I do utilize continuations to actually avoid missing out on a lot of moves. Now, if we seen that we had SMT, not with the candles, we can see here, if you look at the 2 wicks at the top, NQ made a higher high while ES made a lower low. I have marked that, but that will not make me have conviction that price will go down. We want actually a swing high that's lower than the previous on ES to actually have conviction that we got SMT that's bearish. Okay, vice versa for NQ. So we didn't get that. It was just 2 candles. The entry here is entering off a fair value gap that overlapped with a mitigation block. So we can see here, we have a mitigation overlapping the fair value gap. The volume imbalance was provided inside this candle, this fair value gap, sorry. So we placed an instant execution stop loss. Well, actually, we placed a limit, but stop loss 20 points, just so we can be right beneath the candlestick low. And the target was 30 points. So we went for a $300 gain, risking 200s on all our accounts. Now, a little add-on here, we see the price has left equal highs. So I've got even more conviction. I was pretty tempted to close the position actually previously because we inversed the fair value gap. I have strong conviction in higher prices here. So price is starting to have a CISD. We now just had that. We broke above this mitigation here. We're now retesting it. Also an order block if you use that. But we're now retesting it. We're flipping bullish now, having that strong volatility. It is 1452. So these equal highs should be getting taken. That's what's going through my mind right now. And then we're going to make it risk-free at 1-to-1. But you can see as it does play out, we don't even have time to make it risk-free. So I was not too bothered about doing that. But ES has took the high. NQ's following shortly. And then there we go. A 1.5 risk to reward. We just got tagged out. That is it. That is the trade recap.